We got the front door right here, wooden accents. We got the floors looking like that. We also have a little side place right here for your shoes, which is really nice. Little bench, little mirror right here, all the way up there. And then like we always do, we'll turn and go into the bathroom from here. Pretty great sized bathroom. One sink, there's your board right there. Got a tub right there, a scale. I don't know if this is a heated thing right here for the towels, but we got this towel rack. Come over here, look some more. Oh, we got a TV right here, y'all. Got some artwork, some turquoise tile. This is what we got for right here. The amenities. Got some lotion. Got some other vanity kits and stuff like that. More wooden accents. Then right here we come back. We got two doors. The first door over here is going to be the water closet. Nice accent. They got a phone in here like we're in Vegas. Pretty high ceilings. And we have the cutout with a mirror in here. Yep. And then I guess this is going to be the shower. Rain, is that a rain shower, I guess you call it? Looking like that. Ooh, making noise. Right in there. We got another head. And then these are our amenities as well again. Then we can turn around and look at what we see over here. We got a little sliding door to go along with our deep tub. Got the mirror. They got the remote for the TV. Coming straight here, we do have our wooden closet built in or built out. We got an umbrella in there, y'all. And we got the robe and some slippers. Then we come over to this next one, which is probably just gonna be an iron, but it's kind of big. Oh no, got a safe. We got some more drawers with a laundry. That's a nice laundry bag. Can I have that? Do they charge for that laundry bag? I don't know. Then we have our coffee station, hot water station, tea station, Illy product. Nice bowls. I think this is salt and pepper. Maybe there's some sugar. I don't know. I can't really tell. No, those are the pods. Those are the pods. And the salt. The sugar's right there. Closing on us. Got a mini fridge down here. I wonder if it's like a, oh, you got the glasses. Does this slide out? Yeah, this slides out. Say, ooh. Ooh, kill him. With the mini fridge. Oh no, it's just for us. Cool. We'll just use that to keep things cold. Put that all the way back in there. And then let me show you one of my favorite parts of the room. Got this archway right here to bring us in. And then boom, we got our space with the curtain, mosquito curtain, I guess that's what it is. We'll use that. Got a little foot desk thing drawer. The bottles of water here is really nice. They look nice. Right there. Yeah, this is a spot. I'm digging it. I can see a different flair as this being a Park Hyatt compared to other type Hyatts. Kind of almost reminds me of Cancun Ziva. Yeah. Lots of space for us to hang out. Chairs. A lot of art. Can you dig it? Boom. Got the curtains that open up to our, we got an upgrade for being explorers to a waterfront. And you will see everything in the morning when that time comes. We like this. We like this, y'all. And we got a little table and chair right there, our personal plants, some artwork. Morning. Anyway, it's fine with me.
Definitely the best breakfast buffet I've ever experienced from a hotel. The variety was different from most of the things you find in the US. Of course, we are in Africa. We have Indian influences, we have Arabic influences, Middle Eastern influences, an eclectic amount of food. Beef bacon here, you have dosas, different types of jams, pineapple jam, passion fruit jam. Everything here was new, exciting, and actually tasty. Even though it was new and novel, the food was executed beautifully. The staff was attentive, and that passion fruit juice to start off with, wow. Best breakfast buffet I have experienced. Thank you, Hyatt.